natin, mga enthusiasts. And they will be covering a total of what? Tama ba, Josh? Ang information ko, 500 kilometers. No. They will be covering a certain, Marts, tama no? 500 kilometers ang i-cover nila. They will be doing a jump off here. Dito ang jump off, tama Marts? Dini ang jump off sa Reyes. Bababa yan sila, tapos may dadaanan doon banda sa Alabel, papuntang Nagpan. Tama? Papuntang Nagpan, then didiretso na yan sila papuntang Maasim, Kiamba, Makima area na. Papuntang Maitong balik. May mga pit stops din po sila. At hindi po ito contest, hindi po ito race. Ito po ay endurance din. And they have 12 hours to complete the entire na ruta. And safety is primordial. Very important yun. Kaya may mga pit stops sila, tapos meron silang areas where they have to take selfies and all. At may magpa-passport. May mga bisita po tayo na, sino nga yun, Josh? Mayor Randy Isiha. Yung isa, naalala nyo yung
disqualified.
Of course, I believe all of us understand that he did it on purpose. So, but he will be joining us. Tapos may iba pong mga lady bikers. Normie Garcia is also with us. Ilan? 4.5 million ang followers ni Normie Garcia. She's coming and joining us. And I heard, yet to be confirmed, si Senator Manny Pacquiao will also be joining the ride. Isa yun sa kanyang gustong gawin. Nahilig kasi si Senator Manny lately, di ba? Yun yung isang. So, nakakomplete na kasi sila ng kanilang safety motorcycle riding course. Ang bilis niyang nagpalit ng motor from Kawasaki, ngayon ay naka-BMW na siya. And it's mas malakas no? 1 to 50? 1 to 50 na. Dati kasi, syempre mas mahal. So, baka sasama siya kasi first time yun na iikutin ang 7 municipalities through adventurism. At magkakaroon din po ng first Governor Rogelio Pacquiao na national fishing competition. And I heard kahapon, even Marvin Tan wants to join. alam nila yung fishing grounds dito sa Sarangani. Ang take-off ng first national fishing competition will be at the Pacman Beach. Tapos may biggest catch, may mga iba-ibang categories. Okay? So yun yung mga nag-stand out na bago. At eto po, naalala nyo dati, mayroon tayong endurance run, nagabi pa lang, madaling araw pa lang, nag-run na sila galing Capitol papunta dito. Ilang kilometers yun noon? How did we call it? 50 kilometers yun noon, Capitol to Ultra Marathon. But we're not doing it this year. Kasi mismong si Governor Pacquiao ang naka-experience na may muntik ng masagasaan sa daan dahil madilim, hindi visible. So, safety is primordial. Kaya wala na tayong ultramarathon, but instead we're going to have the first Sarbay Coastal Run. Bye-bye ang agihan. Asan dyan ang first? Kablalan, papuntang dito. So, 5 kilometers ba yun, Josh? Coverage. Anyway, so 5 kilometers papunta dito, meron silang ruta din. Kablalan, going here ang area. So may mga bago tayong mga pagbabago. May mga bago tayong events na in-introduce. Magkakaroon din po ng yoga by the beach for the first time. Kasi dati wala yung yoga by the beach. But